Hello and welcome back to Ask Alice. As we approach the end of the year, a time when many of us are planning holidays or visiting family, one question I often hear is, can you travel overseas while bankrupt? Look, the short answer is yes, but there are strict rules. Under the Bankruptcy Act 1966, specifically Section 272, if you're an undischarged bankrupt, you need written consent from your trustee before travelling overseas. This isn't just a courtesy, it's a legal requirement designed to ensure that you're meeting your obligations and that creditors' interests are protected. So how do you get permission? It can be a straightforward process. Firstly, submit a travel request to your trustee, and this should include your travel dates, destination, the purpose of your trip, and how you'll fund it. Trustees want to know that your travel won't interfere with your financial obligations. Next, wait for the decision. A trustee will assess your request, balancing your personal circumstances with the interests of creditors. If approved, you'll get a written consent. If not, you'll need to postpone your plans. How is a travel request assessed? Well, when you apply, the trustee will consider several factors, including, have you provided all the requested information? Are there unresolved matters requiring your presence in Australia? Are your income contributions up to date? Is there a risk you won't return to Australia? Typically, consent is granted unless your absence could impact the proper administration of your estate, but there might be conditions attached. If approved, the trustee may impose conditions, such as paying any outstanding income contributions before departure. They might also request a surety for certain undertakings to be completed upon your return. Importantly, breaching these conditions is itself an offence under subsection 272 sub 3. If you're granted permission, keep the trustee's approval letter with you and with your passport. And this is crucial as the Australian Federal Police may ask for it before allowing you to leave the country. If your trustee refuses your travel request, they'll provide written reasons along with details of your rights to challenge the decision. Now, these include contacting AFSA's Practitioner Surveillance section. Also, you can lodge a complaint with the Commonwealth Ombudsman. You can also apply to the court for review, but obviously you'll need legal advice for this option. AFSA, the Australian Financial Security Authority, provides clear guidance on this. They stress that trustees should act fairly and reasonably. An official trustee practice statement 3 from the AFSA website is a great resource if you're looking for more detail. Travelling without your trustee's consent is a breach of the Act and could lead to serious consequences. This might include fines, prosecution, even imprisonment in certain circumstances under Section 272. The key takeaway is if you're bankrupt and planning a trip, talk to your trustee early. They'll guide you through the process and help you stay on the right side of the law. So that's it for today's Ask Alice. If you have more questions about bankruptcy or anything insolvency related, drop them in the comments and I'll see you next time. Safe travels, when approved, of course.